So we heard through the grapevines that people wanted to see an interior room. Guess what? We're going to show you guys an interior room. Let's get into it. This is nice. Got your bed right in there. In front of the bed, we have the closet. It's rocking. A chair. You have your vanity area. Oh, I think right behind the front door is a chair with a seat. There's also a table that is movable. Right next to the door, there is a bathroom. Also the storage. Thank you guys so much for watching this room tour on board the newest ship for Caribbean, Icon of the Seas. This is one of the lower priced staterooms, so if you are coming on board and need something just to sleep in, I think this room will be perfectly great for you. Be sure to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. I'll wait for you right now, as a matter of fact, because I don't want you to leave out just subscribing. And thank you for subscribing. And if you are already subscribed, thank you so much. And yeah, leave a like, comment if you have any questions or concerns below. See you in the next room tour.